Hello everyone, draw the lines like this on the white sheet and then write a B. Now after that, join the lines like this to make the face of it. Now make the lines on the sides and then draw it like this. Now we'll be drawing a V-like shape and then make the lines like this. Make its eyes, color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be drawing the shape like this and then we'll be making the face of the girl standing. Now make its legs and hands like this. Now after that, make the dress pattern on the back like this. Make its hands on the sides. Make some flowers near it and then you can color it if you want. Here we have filled the orange color inside it. Make its face, shoes like this and it's ready. Next, using R, we'll be filling the color inside it and make a girl standing. Make its hands, legs like this. Make the shoes. Now using H, we'll be making a boy. So draw the hairs like this and make a face like this. Make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Complete its hands and legs like this. Make its dress and then join the legs. Now after that you can draw some patterns inside it to decorate it. Now using the letter K, we'll be drawing the lines on the top and then join the lines on the downside as well. Make the hands and legs of the girl. Make its face and it's done. Next, make a U and then draw the inverted semicircular shapes on the sides. Now draw a C-like shape on the top and the semicircular over it. Now we'll be drawing the patterns of the hairs. Make its eyes like this. Now we'll be making its face, nose and mouth. Now make its body. Draw its legs, hands and make the patterns of its dress like this. Decorate it. Make a pocket in the between of the dress. Draw its leg like this. Now after that, draw her hands on the sides. Now after that, draw the hands like this. Now we'll be coloring it of your choice. You can choose any color and then fill it carefully. Make some flowers on her hands like this. Now make it stems and leaves that she's holding. Now make a basket like shape on the other hand like this and then fill the color of your choice. Here we have shown you some different colors you can fill. Make some patterns and detailing things over its body. Make the hairs and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing a circle and then draw the semicircular shapes on the sides. Make the hat. Now make the eyes, nose and the mouth. Now we'll be making its body. So draw the pants and t-shirt. Now we'll be drawing his legs. Now on the sides, we'll be making his hands like this. Now make the hands. After that, we'll be giving some object or broom on the one hand and the garbage picker on the other one like this. Color it and it's done. Next, take a colorful pens and then we'll be making a shape like this and then color it. Now draw the lines to make the face of it. Now complete its body like this. Make the hairs, make its eyes, nose and mouth. Color it and your girl is ready. Next, moving on to another, we'll be making a standing girl side profile. So make its hat like this. Now make its ears on the sides and then make its face, hairs like this. Join the lines carefully. Complete its face, draw its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its dress like this on the side. Color it. Now make the hands of her. Now draw her legs like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.